fire escape inspection summary video. I'm Inspector Alan Toll. I'm here at 369 Pine Street, San Francisco. This is number one of 3 systems. This is only just one single platform, as you can see. This is a pre-load test inspection, pass-fail inspection. We're looking for evidence of strength, that it's structurally sound and that it's been painted. We can pass this fire escape visually. However, there's a couple of concerns that I have that you know, if we don't repair them, they could be load tested. If not, we can just add on some new connections to this and be a little bit more satisfied with it. If we do an opinion affidavit based on our opinion, knowledge, and belief, that needs to be acceptable by the city and by an insurance carrier, and liability taken away from fire escape engineers and the city. So I'm going to proceed. Again, this is a single fire escape system, single platform. It looks like it's fairly new. It's all, you can see all hex head bolts. This is a really big, beefy connection. It's like a 3.5 by 4 by 4 angle, and this is all welded. So again, visually it's okay. We would suggest, you know, maybe backing this up with a new clip to back up that weld. This is the reverse bracket that we have a little bit of a concern with. It is welded. It appears to be a good weld, but in order to accept this, we would suggest putting a new angle down to there, bolted through to this connection and bolted back down below. If not, then it would need to be load tested. But other than that, you can see all new hex head bolts, which is good. Expanded galvanized platform. The ladder, as you can see, was serviced by Mazzy last month, so it is operable. I'm not going to drop it because of this truck below, but you want to make sure that there's no obstruction. I'm pretty sure it would clear, but it looks like a new cable. Looks like it's been greased, serviced. Latching mechanism looks good. Connection back to the wall looks good. Concrete is good. The galvanized, you can see all galvanized. I don't see any internal rust. Starting to get a little bit of surface rust, but nothing that's a real concern. Would like to see a chain across here. That's one of our suggestions. Again, 42-inch high rail. You know, these are not to current code, but it's pre-existing non-conforming condition. I'm going to try to get some photos down below to see what's happening on this connection, but that should complete my inspection for this system, system number 1 at Pine Street, San Francisco. If you have any questions, 866-649-0333.